Trump has ordered all of Boeing's 737 MAX fleet to be grounded.
Donald Trump slams Boeing 737 MAX.
Ground all flights of the 737.
Donald Trump is known for slamming a variety of things and people.
Fake news.
But his recent rant has covered the controversial Boeing 737 MAX. Trump publicly criticized Boeing's decision to develop the 737 MAX, suggesting instead that the company should have focused on updating the 757.
So Boeing, big disappointment to me. Big disappointment.
But this critique doesn't come out of nowhere. It comes after Boeing has faced a series of challenges with the 737 MAX, including 2 fatal crashes that led to the grounding of the aircraft worldwide. While some agree with this perspective, others believe that the decision to develop the 737 MAX was a strategic move by Boeing to compete with Airbus's A320neo. The 737 MAX was designed to be more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, aligning with the global push towards sustainability. However, Trump's viewpoint is that Boeing should have re-engineered the 757, a model that was discontinued in 2004. He believes that the 757 was one of the best airplanes ever made. The 757, known for its versatility, was popular among airlines for its ability to serve both short-haul and long-haul routes efficiently. In fact, Trump himself owns a Boeing 757-200, registered as N757AF. The aircraft was last spotted in the air on September 20th, 2023, when the single-aisle jet departed Palm Beach International Airport, Florida, and arrived at Quad Cities International Airport, Illinois. "No product has suffered like this one. But again, what the hell do I know?" Trump said. The 737 MAX has been at the center of controversy ever since its introduction. 2 fatal crashes, one in Indonesia in 2018 and another in Ethiopia in 2019, have resulted in a total death count of 346 people. These tragedies led to a global grounding of the aircraft and a thorough investigation into its design and software. The primary issue was found to be related to the Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, or MCAS, which was designed to help pilots handle certain flight scenarios. Flaws in the system mainly contributed to the crashes. To dive into detail, the MCAS basically relied on data from just one of the plane's 2 angle of attack sensors. If this single sensor provided incorrect data, the MCAS could activate by mistake. Modern aviation design principles typically avoid such single points of failure, especially for systems that can have catastrophic consequences. Secondly, the pilots were not adequately trained on the MCAS, and many were unaware of its existence. When the system activated unexpectedly, pilots were often found to be unprepared to handle the situation. And recent reports also tell that the MCAS was not prominently featured in the aircraft's flight manuals, meaning that pilots were not only untrained on the system, but also lacked resources to understand and troubleshoot it during flight. After extensive reviews and modifications, the 737 MAX was cleared to fly again in late 2020. However, the damage to Boeing's reputation was significant, with many questioning the company's commitment to safety. On the other hand, the Boeing 757 was a favorite among many airlines due to its unique design that allowed it to operate efficiently on both short and long routes. Trump's suggestion to re-engineer the 757 stems from his belief that it was a superior aircraft, and updating it would have been a more strategic move for Boeing. It also makes sense because every time you modernize an old design, you make compromises. With the 737, Boeing is at its 3rd evolution of what is basically a 1950s to 1960s design. The 757, on the other hand, had good ground clearance because it was designed from the outset for high bypass ratio turbofans and more modern aviation needs. The 737 MAX was designed to be a direct competitor to the A320neo, which was gaining popularity among airlines for its fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. While Trump's comments have stirred debate, Boeing's focus should remain on regaining the trust of the aviation world and ensuring the safety of all its aircraft. In an industry where safety, innovation, and market demand intersect, making the right decisions is crucial.